See this? I don't like this. I have to do this. I can't do any facial without using my Dermaroller. Just can't. Alright, I'm so excited. So what I'm actually gonna do, I'm taking Dermaroller, which is sealed, still inside the packaging. I'm gonna give extra love. Taking from the packaging, Dermaroller is nice case, beautiful. And this is already comes disinfected and stuff like this. I have the main issues on my cheeks. So I'm gonna go like and do mainly focusing on the jawline because it needs a little bit extra love and more kind of needles in one spot. This one is just... I am married to this. Like, guys, I am married to Dermaroller. I'm like clearly married. It's my husband. I have to do this. I can't do any facial without using my Dermaroller. Just can't. I double wash my face. This is what I do. Whoa. And I'm going on my jawline where I feel the most. Look at this. What happened? See this? I don't like this. I mean, I don't hate it, but I don't like it. I am going in all directions. Always lift. You wanna always lift? You don't wanna do this. Lift, 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 lift. This is how you wanna use your Dermaroller. And make sure your Dermaroller is real needle Dermaroller, not the fake one. You don't wanna use this one. These are the fake ones. If you want to know what's the difference, I'm gonna put the video right here. All right, extra love for this spot right here where is wrinkly. And extra love on this cheek too. All right, I'm done with microneedle treatment. As you see, I'm a little bit red, and that's okay. That's okay. You don't wanna be red if you wanna feel and have results, and you don't have to be red. But I'm getting red. I'm sensitive chick. Okay, so after I'm just so in love with this sheet mask. I love it so much, but I wanna kind of like propose you some amazing serums that I have. I have vitamin C booster, amazing, brightening, anti-aging, hydrating, soothing serum. I put 2 pumps on my skin, a little bit gentle, tap, 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 tap. This is so good. This is not L-ascorbic acid. Don't apply L-ascorbic acid on your skin. If you have vitamin C product, read in the back if it has L-ascorbic acid or ascorbic acid or ascorbic acid. Don't use it. Make sure you have something. Just get mine. Come on, get mine. I know you can. I know you can. And then I'm using peptides. So this is brightening and anti-aging, right? This is firming, amino acids, peptide. It is amino acids. It's a building block for your skin. You should get this as well. You should buy this. Just kidding. I don't know what's going on with me. I'm getting 3 pumps of peptide. Peptide is actually, never tell you this, but peptide is my favorite cream. If you're on a budget and you don't know which one to get peptide. Peptide is firming, it's good. It's like your skin is drinking protein shakes and is getting stronger every day. So under the eyes, and what I do after, guess what? I do almost every single time when I use Dermaroller, this sheet mask. It's a beautiful sheet mask that can be used on your face after microneedling. Totally safe, natural ingredients, made in Korea. Not every country can make really nice sheet masks. And you know what? Korea makes freaking the best of the best sheet masks. I think I'm in heaven, guys. After microneedle session, you don't want to go to the gym for 24 hours. You don't want to go to the sun. Any kind of sun, not even close to the window, for 72 hours. If you have to walk the dog, walk in the morning and at night, or make your dog pee on the carpet, that's fine. Avoid any kind of sweating, any kind of exfoliation on your skin. Don't touch your skin basically for the next 72 hours. And don't wash in the morning. I always preach and I always will. Don't wash your skin in the mornings because you want to have your healthy skin. I haven't washed my skin in the morning in 4 years. Can you believe it? And wherever is over left, do on your hands. I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye!